Little storyteller.
Lily, with her bright blue eyes and a sprinkle of freckles across her nose, loved her fluffy bunny, Snowdrop. Her brother, Tom, who had hair the color of sunshine, treasured his shiny red race car. They lived in a cozy little cottage with a garden full of colorful flowers, right next to a whispering, enchanted forest. Sometimes, the mischievous little goblins who lived in the forest would sneak into their garden and borrow their toys. They weren't bad goblins, just a bit playful and forgetful about returning things. One sunny morning, Lily couldn't find Snowdrop, and Tom's race car was gone again. "We need a goblin-proof alarm," Tom declared, his sunshine hair bouncing. Lily nodded, her freckles wiggling. They decided to build a special system to let them know if any goblins came into their garden. First, they hung tinkling wind chimes near the garden gate. The chimes were made of colorful glass and made a happy sound when the wind blew. Then they placed empty watering cans carefully on the path. If someone wasn't careful, they might just bump into them. Their loudest alarm was their rooster, Reginald. Reginald had bright red feathers and a very strong cock-a-doodle-doo. They made sure Reginald had a comfy spot near the garden where he could see everything. The next morning, Lily and Tom were playing inside when they heard a gentle tinkling. The wind chimes. Then they heard a little clatter. One of the watering cans had been nudged. Suddenly, a loud cock-a-doodle-doo filled the air. Reginald had spotted something. Lily and Tom peeked out the window. They saw 3 little green goblins near their toys. One was holding Snowdrop, gently stroking her fluffy fur. Another was rolling Tom's shiny red race car back and forth. Lily and Tom went outside. The goblins looked a little surprised, but smiled kindly. "We were just borrowing your lovely toys," one goblin squeaked. "They are so much fun," another one added. Lily smiled. "It's okay to play with them," she said, "but maybe next time you could ask first." The goblins nodded eagerly. "Yes, we promise." They chirped. Tom added, "Maybe we can all play together." The goblins' eyes lit up. From that day on, the goblins would often visit Lily and Tom, and they would all play together in the sunny garden. Sometimes the goblins would even bring shiny pebbles from the enchanted forest to share. Lily and Tom learned that it was much more fun to share their toys and make new friends, and the goblins learned that it's always nice to ask before borrowing. Sharing is a wonderful way to make everyone happy and have even more fun together.
Please subscribe. Thank you.